This is a 2020 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. This is one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. The color of this 2020 Ultra Limited is Silver Pine Metallic and Spruce Metallic. A really great looking color combination, and it looks just fantastic out here in the sunlight. This bike is in like new condition. It has 1,766 original miles on the odometer. There's not a mark on this bike. It is just absolutely beautiful. And it runs very, very stout because it's equipped with the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. So you have plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you and your passenger and all your gear down the road, up over the hills, power to pass. Really great color combination. It has a 6-speed transmission with the overdrive in it. 6-gallon gas tank. Being the 20 model, it has the GTS BOOM stereo with the color touchscreen. It has AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth, GPS navigation. You can Bluetooth your music from your phone or your iPod directly into the system, control it with the touchscreen or the hand controls, or you can, in this compartment right here, you can put your phone or device in there and plug it in, and it will integrate it into the system and at the same time charge it. Being the limited model, it has the ABS brakes, cruise control, heated grips, which come in real handy this time of year. Nice big comfortable seat for the rider and also the passenger. Rear speakers. Now this bike is completely stock. It hasn't been messed with. So you have the option just to leave it alone and ride the tires off of it, or change it into whatever you choose. Nice big TourPak that has LED lights on the back of it. 12-volt power point in the TourPak to charge your devices, and also one up on the fairing. If you're in the market for a new touring bike, take a really good look at this 2020 Ultra Limited. Great two-tone paint job, incredibly low miles, with 1,766 original miles on the clock. For information on how to put this beautiful touring bike in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Give us a call, save yourself thousands of dollars. Our bikes are priced out the door with absolutely no dealer mystery fees added. Thank you.